Hey everyone! Today we're checking out 5 popular badminton racket sets, each perfect for different needs. Watch till the end, and you'll know exactly which set is right for you. Looking for a new badminton racket set? This video's for you. We'll compare speed, quality, pros, and cons so you can easily pick the best one. But before we dive in, let's quickly see which set is best suited for whom. For professional players, Yonex Astrox 99 Pro for family fun. Senston or Hierly for quick 2-player games. Nailax set for casual family play. Franklin Sports set now. Let's take a closer look at each product in detail. Number 1. Yonex Astrox 99 Pro. Let's start with the first product. This is the Yonex Astrox 99 Pro White Tiger for UG5 edition unstrung. Right from the first look, its premium design and powerful build really stand out. And if you enjoy attacking gameplay, this racket will definitely catch your attention. Now, just a quick note. There's also another variant called the Yonex Astrox 99 Play. It looks very similar, but the key difference is that the Pro is made in Japan with premium materials, while the Play version is made in China with high modulus graphite. The Play is lighter and more budget-friendly, but today our main focus is on the Pro. The Astrox 99 Pro is famous for its explosive smash power and precise control. It's a 4U5 racket, weighing about 84 grams, with a head-heavy balance and medium flex, perfect for aggressive shots in both singles and doubles. Pros: explosive smashes, premium build quality, and customizable string tension. Cons: it can feel a bit demanding for beginners. Who's it for? Intermediate to advanced players who want maximum power and attacking dominance. Final verdict: the Astrox 99 Pro delivers incredible power, style, and confidence on the court, making it one of the best choices for serious badminton players. Number 2. Senston 4 Racket Set. Next up, the second product on our list is the Senston Professional Badminton Rackets Set of 4. If you're looking for a complete bundle for fun games in the backyard or casual practice sessions, this one has you covered. Inside the set, you'll find 4 lightweight carbon fiber rackets, 6 shuttlecocks for extra grips, and even a carrying bag to keep everything organized. The rackets weigh around 90 grams each, which makes them easy to handle, even for kids and beginners. The carbon fiber construction adds strength and durability, so they won't break easily during active play. Pros: you're getting a full family-friendly set, lightweight rackets that reduce arm fatigue, and good value for the price. The included bag makes it easy to carry outdoors. Cons: these rackets aren't designed for professional-level matches, so serious players may find them lacking in precision. Who's it for? Families, beginners, and casual players who want an affordable set for outdoor fun. Final verdict: the Senston Professional Set is a great all-in-one option, lightweight, durable, and perfect for backyard or family badminton games. Number 3. HIRALY Backyard Set. Now let's take a look at the third product on our list, the HIRALY Badminton Rackets Set for backyards. If you're looking for a lightweight, family-friendly set to enjoy casual games, this bundle is perfect. It comes with 2 or 4 rackets, birdies, and a carrying bag, so you have everything you need in one package. These rackets are easy to swing, making them ideal for adults, kids, and beginners. The one-piece tempered steel frame strikes a great balance between sturdiness and lightness, while the oval head design gives a bigger sweet spot for more accurate shots. The set also includes extra grips and protective tapes to help your rackets last longer. Pros: lightweight, durable, and all-inclusive. Perfect for backyard fun or family games. Cons: not designed for professional-level play, so advanced players may find it basic. Who's it for? Families, beginners, or anyone wanting a casual, ready-to-play outdoor set. Final verdict: the HIRALY Badminton Racket Set is a complete, budget-friendly option that lets you keep swinging and have fun on the court. Number 4. Nailax 2-Player Set. Coming in at number 4, we have a product that's perfect for backyard fun, the Nailax Badminton Set. This set is designed for 2 players and includes 2 carbon fiber rackets, 3 shuttlecocks, and a convenient carrying bag, giving you everything you need for a quick game anywhere. The rackets are lightweight yet sturdy, making them easy to swing for both kids and adults. The carbon fiber construction adds durability without compromising on control, while the included shuttlecocks are ideal for casual outdoor play in the garden, at the beach, or during family gatherings. Pros: lightweight, durable, and ready to play with all accessories included. The carrying bag makes it easy to store and transport. Cons. This set isn't meant for professional-level matches, so advanced players may find it too basic. Who's it for? Families, beginners, or anyone wanting a fun, portable badminton set for outdoor play. Final verdict. The Nailax badminton set is an affordable, complete, and fun option that lets you enjoy backyard games anywhere. Perfect for casual swings and family fun. Number 5. Franklin Sports Set. And finally, the last but definitely not least product on our list is the Franklin Sports Badminton Racket plus Birdie set. If you're looking for something fun, simple, and ready to go, this set is a solid pick. It comes with rackets for either 2 or 4 players, plus birdies, so you've got everything you need right out of the box. The rackets are lightweight and easy to handle, which makes them great for kids and adults alike. And the best part? It includes a carrying bag, so you can easily take it to the backyard, the park, or even the beach for some quick, casual games. Pros: lightweight design, all-in-one set, perfect for family fun. Cons: not built for professional-level play. So who's it for? Families, beginners, kids, or anyone who just wants a quick, easy way to enjoy badminton without breaking the bank. Final verdict. The Franklin Sports Set is convenient, portable, and a whole lot of fun. Perfect for turning any outdoor space into a mini badminton court.